Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be focusing on combination formulas. There are certain situations when we cannot add a particular number greater than 5. Okay, this combination formula is used only in situations where the digit to be added is greater than 5. So in certain situations, we cannot add these digits 6, 7, 8 or 9 using these big friend formulas. Okay, the big friends, the respective big friends. I'll just show you one of the example situation. Okay, suppose we have the number 15 with us. Okay, I have taken 15 on the abacus, and now we are supposed to add either of these digits. Let's consider 7. Okay, we are supposed to add 7 in this. Now for adding 7, our big friend for 7 is 3. So we are supposed to subtract 3 and add 10 on the next left rod. But for subtracting 3, we don't have 3 bits available here. Okay, we have only the 5 available, which we cannot subtract directly. We are supposed to subtract 3 and add 10. So in situations like these, we are supposed to use the combination formula. Now what combination means is just the combination of the small friend as well as the big friend. So for subtracting 3, I will have to use the small friend formula of 3. Now I have written this in the bracket here. So for subtracting 3, I can do plus 2 minus 5, which is the small friend formula for minus 3, and then add 10 to finish the addition of 7. Okay, so for adding 7 in this case, like we have 15 on the abacus, and for adding 7, I'll have to do minus 3 using the small friend formula, which is plus 2 minus 5, and then finish it with adding 10, so that the addition of 7 is done, and we have the answer for 15 plus 7 as 22. Okay, similar fashion, suppose we have 25 with us and we are supposed to add 6. And just like the previous example, we cannot subtract its big friend, which is 4, directly. So we don't have 4 bits available here. So what we do is we use the small friend formula of minus 4. Small friend formula of minus 4 is plus 1 minus 5, and then add 10 to finish the addition of 6. So we'll do, for addition of 6, we'll do plus 1 minus 5 and add 10 to finish the addition of 6. Now for students, what I tell them to, the easy way to remember the combination formula is, how is 6 created on the abacus? The 6 is created on the abacus with 5 and 1, upper bid of 5 and lower bid of 1. So it's easy to remember that since it is 5 plus 1 for creating 6, we have to start with plus 1, subtract 5 and then add 10 on the next left rod. Okay, for 7 it's made with 5 plus 2. So we'll have to start with plus 2 minus 5 and then I finish it with addition of 10. Similarly for plus 8, it will be 8 is created with 5 and 3. So we'll start with plus 3 minus 5 and follow it up with addition of 10. Similarly for 9, it is created with 5 plus 4 lower beads. So the combination formula for plus 9 starts with plus 4 minus 5 and addition of 10. Okay, this is the easy way I tell them to remember. So how the bead, this digit is created on the abacus, just bring it in front of the eyes and then we can start with the lower bead. Okay, so in case of 6, we'll start with plus 1. In case of 7, we start with plus 2. In case of 8, we start with plus 3. And in case of 9, we start with plus 4. Now let's look at individual examples. Suppose we have the number 17 with us. Okay, 1 and 7 here. And we are supposed to add again another 7. Okay, for adding 7 we need to subtract minus 3 and plus 10. We don't have 3 bits, so immediately we'll recall that 7 is made with 5 plus 2. So we'll start with plus 2 minus 5 and follow it up with plus 10. Plus 2 minus 5 plus 10 and the addition of 7 is done. So the answer we have for 17 plus 7 is 24. Now suppose we have the number 45 with us and we are supposed to add 8 in this. For adding 8, we don't have 2 bits available. The big friend of 8 is 2. So we don't have 2 bits available to subtract here directly. So we'll recall that 8 is created with 5 and 3 lower beads. So we'll start with plus 3 minus 5 and then follow it up with plus 10. For plus 10, I will have to use the small friend formula of 1, which is plus 5 minus 4. And the answer we have for 45 plus 8 is 53. Okay. So similarly, suppose we have the number 65 with us. Okay. And we are supposed to add the digit 9 in this. For adding 9, the big friend of 9 is 1. We needed at least one bead here to subtract, so that we could have added 9 directly with using the big friend formula. But we don't have a single bead available here. So in situations like this, again, we have to we can recall that 9 is made up of 5 and 4, 5 up, that is upper bead of 5 and 4 lower beads. So we start with plus 4 minus 5 and then plus 10. So plus 4 minus 5 is done for subtracting 1, and then plus 10 is done to finish the addition of 9. Okay. So the answer that we have for 65 plus 9 is 74. Let's look at another example here. Suppose we have the number 88. Okay. Now in this number, suppose we have to add 6 in this. For adding 6, we need to subtract 4, which we don't have 4 bits available to subtract directly. So what we do is we use the combination formula, that is plus 1 minus 5 and plus 10. Another example, let's say we have the number 55 with us and we are supposed to add 8 in this. For adding 8, we don't have 2 bits available to subtract on this rod. So what we do is we use the combination formula, which is plus 3 minus 5 plus 10, plus 3 minus 5 and plus 10. Okay. Similarly, the combination formula might be needed to be used on any of the rods depending on the digit. Okay, let's take an example of 266 and we are supposed to add the number 7 in this, 77, or let's take 266 plus 78. Okay, so to add 78, we need to add 7 on this rod. For adding 7 on this rod, what we need to do is use the combination formula, which is plus 2 minus 5 plus 10 for 70. And for adding 8 on this rod, it will be done using the combination formula of plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. And the addition of 78 is done. The answer that we have for 266 plus 78 is 344. I hope this combination formula explanation is clear to everyone, and this video helps you learn Abacus better. Thank you.